Hey techies, welcome back. Today we're going to be diving into a powerful and time-saving feature in JavaScript called object destructuring. If you're familiar with objects in JavaScript, you know that accessing the values can be repetitive. Object destructuring allows you to simplify your code, making it cleaner, shorter, and easy to understand. So let's jump right in. First, let's break down what we mean by object destructuring. In JavaScript, object allows us to store multiple related values together. Here is an example. We have an object called person, which has the property of name, age, and city. Without destructuring, if I want to have access to each properties of person, would have to write different statements like this. So I have const name equals person dot the property name. Then I have const age equals person dot age. I would also have const city equals person dot city. We're going to log one of these variable into the console. So I have console dot log name. You can see that I have Tola printed out. This works, but it's a bit repetitive. Object destructuring allows us to extract each of these properties in a single line. Let's see how that works. By using object destructuring, which is denoted by curly braces, we can extract the name, the age, and the city properties directly into variables with the same name. Here is how. So I have const name age equals person. I'd have to comment this out, right? Then I'm going to console.log name. We have the same thing. What is really happening here? When you use curly braces on the left side of an assignment, JavaScript pulls out the properties from the objects and assign them to the variables of the same name. It is simple, effective, and makes your code really short. To avoid undefined result, the property names must match. Names, name. Let's look at another example, which is renaming variables with destructuring. I'm going to take this out. Sometimes you might want to rename the property during restructuring. For instance, let's say we want to assign name to a new variable called first name. Here is how. So I have const name, assign it to a new variable called first name. Then I could also assign age to a new variable called here equals person. If I log this to the console, first name, or if I log age, year, I have 5. By doing this, we're telling JavaScript to take the property of name from person and assign it to a new variable called first name instead. This is helpful to avoid naming conflicts or make our code more readable. Another example is default values in destructuring. Another cool feature is setting default values. Let's say our property does not include country, but we want country to default to unknown. So I have const name, the structure, name. Then I can add country equals unknown equals person. If I log this, country, I have unknown. This way, even if the property isn't included, your code won't break and the default value will be used instead. Another example is nested object destructuring. We can have object inside an object. So I copied this. I'm going to paste it right here. So I have an object called address inside of an object called person. And if I want to access each of the properties of address, this is how I'm going to apply it. I could just use this one and then do comma address. The destructuring symbol or syntax. Then I could have street, comma city. If I log this, console.log street, I would have 123 Maple Street. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, and share. Stay tuned and see you next time. Bye.